Maximum young men in today's world doesn't even know how to breathe. No, I'm not telling like normal breathing, like inhale, inhalation, and exhalation. It is way further down. So why I'm making this video? Like 99% of the men in today's world like breathe through their mouths because they are eating lots of like processed food. They doesn't have a good jawline. They are like fat, like 7 to 80% body fat. They doesn't even do work out. They play video game. They fap 3 times a day. So this all thing indirectly led to the psychological thing when you breathe through your mouth. Breathing through your mouth is one of the baddest thing you can do to like sacrifice your health. So most of the people just simply breathe through their mouth, and like breathing through their mouth doesn't allow them to do mewings. And if they doesn't mew, their jawline will not be perfect, their cheekbones will be not visible, and in the consequences of that, their face looks ugly. So how to fix it, and who are the people who are like breathing through their mouth? So let me tell you in some scientific terms too. Whenever we breathe through our nose, our air in the surrounding, which is full of dust and like other impurities, when we inhale through our nose, there are hair like projections in our nose. So when we inhale, that dust and like other particles stick inside the hair of our nose, and the clean air we inhale and that go in your lungs, then it helps to like take deoxygenated blood, and it is very further. But when we breathe through our mouth, there are no hair like projections in our mouth. So it's just simply all dust particles go inside our mouth, and like it will damage our lungs because it's dust and like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other stuff. So this is like the scientific term. And like if I say in physical terms, if we breathe through our mouth, if we breathe through our mouth, like see my posture when I'm like breathing through mouth, like I am cutting, so my jawline is more visible. Just simply see, like my jaw, my this like skin doesn't even stick to like my hair jawline. Now see me breathing through my nose. My skin is stuck to my like jawline or like this skull when I'm breathing through the nose, but not while I'm breathing through the mouth. This led not to mewing when you are breathing through your mouth. So if you are not mewing, like I have said this earlier too, your jawlines isn't visible, bro. I have burned up 3 months, and it's been only 1 month, not even 1 month. Like on 21 of June, it's get like 1 month, and in 1 month, like see my fucking jawline, boy. It's like razor sharp. So it is due to I mewed properly. I haven't eat like these processed food, and your people doesn't even know what is real food look like. I have to make a video on that stuff also. Like what is this generation? Like they doesn't even know the meaning of real food. Real food rots after you keep it 1 or 2 days outside, like in warm weather. If you take like uh, a to say a piece of banana, and you put it like 2 days in sunlight, it will get rot. It has a like a creepy smell, and like that is the real food, not your McDonald's burger that you keep it in the warm weather for like years. It will stay safe. So we'll discuss it further. So these are the bad consequences of breathing through your mouth. So how to breathe through your nose? I know maximum of the people like doesn't know that they are breathing through their mouth. They think like, yeah, we are breathing through our nose. Yeah. So like how to breathe through your nose properly? Like it is like you can say breathing through your nose is like working out in a gym. You have to do progressive overload to breathe through your nose. Yes, progressive overload to breathe through your nose. Like you will find like 10 minutes breathing guide by like Hamza. You can search 10-minute breathing guide Hamza Ahmed. Like it will be like a 10 minutes video of inhalation and exhalation. Like uh, breathing through your nose, it doesn't like you are just 24/7 breathing through your nose. Yeah, if you are so much like advanced till me, like if you are advanced as advanced I am, so you have to bro breathe 24/7. uh, it will help you a lot, bro. Breathing through your nose, as I have said you, that it will let you to give up pure oxygen to your lungs and your body. And if you get pure oxygen, like your hormone production is good, your jawline is good, your hairline is good, your recovery is good, your muscle is good. You will absorb almost all the nutritions from the food, and it was very helpful to you too. And what else I say? Like I have like told you like 8 good things about like breathing through their nose and breathing through your nose. So that's all. Thanks for watching.